confirmed dead after hours of a heavy rainfall in Ghana. You see, this thing where I won't talk now, it dey worry me. It dey worry me because last time when the rainfall na 5, this time too na 5. I wonder the next time the number it go fit be. Cause if you go down, Ghana, our capital city, where they call Accra, if you see Bola, this thing no be NADMO problem. Cause everything we dey put on NADMO, everything we dey put on government, everything we dey put on politics, which is never that it is not true. Because the thing wey we go do for this country, last time I dey pass, somebody dey my phone. By the time we finish eating yogurt, he throw am. If you go to market, by the time they finish eating, they throw am. Everything where they sell for this country, they put down for polythene bag inside. So when they finish, the way we they throw things, e no good. It be me we go fit change. Now you we go fit change before change things for this country. Cause next time it go be me, it go be you. The people when they die, they also throw some ballers in this country. No go fit deny them. Cause now we are tired of dead body after rain. People they pray say make rain fall in them countries are where they don't get. My brothers and sisters, this thing is serious. Make we change our life. Make we change our life, cause it go kill me, it go kill you. Make we stop the throw baller everywhere. Every gutter where they this countryside they choke. Now rain they go fall, you no get space they go. So what do you want to do now? Cause when it comes to circle where they do bridges, nice bridges, I know they see the reason why say every day rain go fall, that place they fly. I know they see the reason why. So make we stop. The most important one, the one way I don't know if I go laugh or I don't know what I go talk. Be say a car where they load from Madina station where they go to Adwingano. People they inside that car where it start raining. No go feel laugh safe. I beg drop the video, make them see what they talk about. Drop the video.
Okay, I may drop the channel number.
So you see what they talk. The car be rainfall car. No. What I go talk am? Swimming pool car. I don't know. Every passenger wait inside that car, they all get wet. It be like say they bath them. Every seat though, you know, it be only I think the back seats way good. So if we get these things for our countryside, it good. You be driver, you know say your car no good. People where they take your car, they pay you, so they make you use some small money go repair your car, no go do. You know they think about passengers them alive. You know they think about our life. This thing where they cause accidents, because the same way accident they happen for this country is because of some of the carelessness of our drivers. Some of the cars they get plenty problems. They no go repair them, but they take money. The station they have leader, they have people where they have to take care of. They know they do them. I don't know the things with the rules and regulations we have for this country. Rest my case. I don't go if you come talk about this thing again. We are tired of dead bodies after rain in Ghana. So please, the thing where we for do to prevent it, make you do am. Bye bye.